Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today where we are going?
We are going on a ship.
We are going to Hotokegaura. It's a place which is filled with volcanic cliffs. The volcanic tuff is there. Hotokegaura is a natural rock formation on the west coast of the Shimokita peninsula in Aomori prefecture. For more ideas on how to travel and explore different parts of Japan, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So here we are waiting for the boat to arrive.
And there is a triangle house over there.
The shape of the building is really like onigiri.
Yummy, like onigiri. There is a big ship, big, very big,
Yeah.
and they carry apple.
They carry apple, yeah. Aomori is very famous for apples. From yesterday, Archishman is watching so many apple trees, and Archishman is Archishman loves apple a lot, really.
My favorite food, and I want to eat. Actually, there was a tree and full of apples. And
Yeah.
I was thinking to eat the full tree.
The boat will take you from Aomori to Sai and from Sai to Aomori. And while boarding the boat, you can see the entire Hotokegaura, that place. I think our boat has arrived. You can see over there. So let's see how it is. Here is our boat. We are in the Aomori, and through this boat we will reach to the Sai, and from the boat we can see the beautiful Hotokegaura. Now we are about to board the boat. Tishman is very excited. Now let's enter. Wow. So we are here, and this is the boat. So now we are in the boat. But I think you cannot go up, so you need to see the entire Hotokegaura from the window. Now they are waving hands. They are saying bye bye to us. Our journey begins. Now we are going to Sai port. While going towards Sai port, you need to sit the right side of the boat so that you can enjoy the Hotokegaura, that scenic spot. And the boat is running quite fast. The color of the water is emerald green, and the rock color is white, so it's very contrasting. The porous cliff, due to the wild waves, the precipice is already eroded, so they want to stop the erosion, so they put the boulders over there. I was almost sleeping. This boat ride is really awesome. So from this window you can get very nice view. That's pretty amazing. Wow, nice view. There you can see Milton and Archishman both are relaxing. They are enjoying. Over 20 million years ago, due to the deep volcanic activity, a precipice of green volcanic tuff created, and it stretches around 2 kilometers means inside of Aomori prefecture. So over the years, due to the air, wind, and the waves, this precipice eroded, and it creates this kind of unique rock formation. Hotoke means Buddha, and Hotokegaura means Buddha's cove. It is a mysterious place with a series of wide, green, strange rocks. The height of some rocks and cliffs are more than 100 meters, and it looks like the statue of Buddha. It is believed that the Hotokegaura is the gateway between this world and the world of spirits. Do you believe that? Please leave a comment that how you feel about this place.
I want to show you.
Yeah, I know there is a vending machine.
How can I need to put a vending?
So in Japan you will get vending machine everywhere, even in the boat.
Yes.
So I really want some coffee because I was sleeping in the boat.
Me too. And here is
The toilet is there, so, and it's written off the limit. I think you cannot go. Now I feel a little bit excited to see the seagulls and the Hotokegaura, these cliffs. These are really nice. So while sitting in the boat, you can enjoy this view. The cliffs are see. One is small, one is big. The green, the yellow. Amazing, and the mountains, series of mountains. We have reached Sai, and we will disembark here. And after that, we will have some lunch here, and then we will return back to Aomori. So as a return trip, they take 6,800. So it's pretty nice. We have reached. We need to take our return ticket. So they will give you only one side ticket in Aomori. While we're returning that time, you need to take another ticket from here. That's why he is taking us. So here is the ticket office. I am here in Sai. The Hotokegaura, the rock formation. It's a very nice white and green colored cliffs. But to see the Hotokegaura, you need to take a boat. So behind of me is the boat, and through which we have traveled from Aomori to Sai, and now we are returning back from Sai to Aomori. So through this boat, we will visit the Hotokegaura, and we will see the nice cliffs. Archishwan is always there. Now we are again boarding the boat. We are returning back to Aomori. From Aomori to Sai, it takes 170 minutes. The window, it's really amazing. You are sitting and enjoying the natural beauty. You can see outside seaside, the mountains, and the greenery is really a breathtaking view. It's like a cave. You can see the cave. Due to the erosion, the cliffs take a shape. This is the reason the Hotokegaura is so famous. All the cliffs have different shapes. You can see the shapes are so fascinating. You see the white cliffs. So the Hotokegaura is famous for this white rock formation, and all the rocks are different in sizes, and these are really beautiful. See, the rock formations. Some are quite sharp, some are blunt. Hotokegaura.
鬼の手作り、念仏申す他なかりけり。明治の文豪大町健悦先生が仏ヶ浦の奇岩を見て、あまりの奇怪さに驚き歌に残されたものです。仏ヶ浦は海抜5メートルから100メートルの凝海岸の奇岩が 2km にわたって並び、長年の風雨と荒波に侵食されて、表面がさまざまな形に削られ、左手から500羅漢親子岩、伊賀小岩、巌流岩と続き、その手前の出先の横に見える船着き場は、西福浦、牛滝、牧野沢方面から行き交う観光遊覧船の発着所で、その奥に風を遮るように立っている岩が屏風岩です。
So beautiful.
波打ち際に石畳を敷き詰めたような広場が見えますが、この奥の地蔵堂には、 海水より浮き上がったと言われるご本尊が祀られ、毎年7月の23、24日の2日間、仏ヶ浦祭が盛大に行われます。
See the shapes like someone used their sword to cut it off. It's, I don't know how. Means due to only the erosion, how these shapes made. Wow, can you imagine?
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, might's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. But it was just too late. Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause
you can see the colors of the cliffs.
この焼け山
See
滝
the
は
red and
200 メ
yellow.
ートルほどの先に
I don't know the name of these cliffs, but these cliffs are really nice. Different colors and shapes. Really amazing. You can see this natural beauty is unbelievable, and I'm speechless to see the beauty of this cliff. Wow. So this boat ride is really enjoyable. While sitting on the boat, you can enjoy this beauty. Maybe they are saying that how these cliffs are made or the name of the cliffs, but as everything is speaking in Japanese, so I cannot understand. Can you see? Oh, it's a mesmerizing view. Wow. The great cliffs. Wow. Hotokegaura is a very nice place. Around 2 kilometers these cliffs are spread. The cliffs are very interesting. When some are small, some are tall. Some cliffs are around 100-meter tall, and the shapes are really different, and the cliffs are wide, so it's pretty amazing. So I think you should visit this place, and you can take a boat ride, and you can enjoy this entire Hotokegaura place, and it's really amazing.
まもなく終点青森に入港します。
If you want to explore exciting places of Japan, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my new video updates. Thank you for watching this video.